Other than Lifeguard chewables, what other perk products would be considered essential for parents wanting to create their own wellness packs for their children?
Well, I can tell you that over the many years, many parents have done that. They do include the Perk Lifeguard chewables along with the Perk Potent Sea Guard, either based on a sea cleanse or however you decide the antioxidants are needed. In addition, the Perk Vessel Health Guard, dissolve under the tongue. There are not many children at the age of 2, 3, or 4 who really enjoy letting one of those Vessel Health Guard just dissolve under their tongue. For younger children, I recommend the Pain Guard. If they're having any teething issues, you can actually crush up a Pain Guard and smear it on the gums. It'll usually calm the child down and the folks as well. And since we do need more of the omega-3 fatty acids, at least 1, maybe 2 a day of the Perk EPA DHA Guard. And if they are a little large for the child, or if there's a swallowing issue, you can use a large darning needle or similar needle to pierce the soft gel, express the liquid into a teaspoon or onto a cracker or a cucumber or however you want the carrier to be, and let the child just chew and swallow. So in addition to the Perk Lifeguard chewables, we want the Perk Potent Sea Guard, we want Perk Vessel Health Guard, Perk Pain Guard or Repair Guard, and Perk EPA DHA Guard. And that to me forms the basics of a healthy wellness pack for parents and for kids.